The helicopter operations portion of the 2015 Global Strike Challenge concluded this past week. Teams from Minot Air Force Base, Malmstrom Air Force Base, and F.E. Warren Air Force Base competed in 3 separate categories: search and rescue, nighttime operations, and launch facility recapture. The search and rescue portion required each team to search in a predetermined area to find 2 airmen and hoist them up into the helicopter. For the launch facility recapture exercise, Tactical Response Force airmen joined the helicopter teams. They worked to survey the area and perform tactical insertions to remove the hostile elements before recapturing the facility. To stop the time portion, TRF members sprinted from the helicopter to the front gate of the launch facility. Awards will be presented at a ceremony held next month. Airman Brandon Valle, F.E. Warren Air Force Base, Wyoming.